drop the mom, nigga.
On this tape, when we get started, I just got this person, just stole that shit the whole time.
She don't wear no pants. She ain't got no motherfucking drawers on, nigga. She ready to turn something. She fuck me like a porn star. She fuck me good, she fuck me good, she fuck me good, nigga. Woo. She throw that ass back. Throw it back, throw it back. Throw it back, throw it back, throw it back. Ooh, I love when she get ratchet. She don't wear no panties, she get it from her mama. It run in the family, she fuck me like a porn star. She not from Miami, she came from the ATL. She's a Grady baby.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Taylor Hall. I am on the set of Khaotic's Ratchet video. We're just wrapping things up. You can follow me on Instagram at @IamTaylorHall.
We just wrapped up part 1 of the Khaotic Ratchet music video. Now we're about to head to scene 2, location 2, over at the 12 in Atlantic Station, Atlanta, Georgia, and finish up over there. Y'all stay tuned.
Puppy is so handsome, I like my good girl, but I love when she get ratchet. I love when she get ratchet.
That was tough to see. That was tough between the sheets. I don't know if I should stand up.
Oh, God.
I want to stand up, but I want to make sure. Let me see. I'm going to stand up.
This man crazy.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. That's why I like wearing my briefs. To keep it all together. You see what I'm saying, Drinker? Man, behind the scenes at the motherfucking my video shoot. I love when she get ratchet. We out here working, man. Straight drop the mob, man. Seeing Bula over everything, man. You feel me? DGI, my sister motherfucking Drika here. Fucking around with my nigga GT Films. GT Films just put together a motherfucking movie. I mean, we out here just motherfucking working. Y'all motherfuckers know what it is. And I ain't got too much time to talk because I got to finish this video because I got a performance tonight. So I just gave y'all motherfuckers what y'all need. She ain't thinking, Bula, bitch.
I love when she get ratchet. She don't wear no pants. She fuck me like a porn star. She fuck me good, she fuck me good, she fuck me good, nigga.
No, you're not talking about you like coming down like you on my face. No, that's gotta be said. And we doing that. Everybody, the video's over. Everybody go. No, we're not doing that.
All right, let's go ahead and rock. Yeah, let's go ahead and rock.
Yeah, you standing up. You just... It's your boy Khaotic on Austin. Straight drop the motherfucking mob. Shout out to my big brother GT Films. I mean, we got the best motherfucking chemistry in the world. You feel me? Like, we gonna bring some movies to y'all motherfuckers. So, y'all lay around for that shit. Dade County, MIA. Straight drop. Bula! We just in here shit digging. Got Drake in this motherfucker, June in this bitch. The whole camp in this motherfucker. We working, man. We working, man. Believe that.
What's happening, man? It's your boy GT, man. Checking in with my dog, Playback Films, man. Y'all make sure y'all tune in to him, man. Y'all follow his YouTube. Y'all check him out on Instagram, man. My partner out here working, man. Straight up.